Hi, they call me O-Scale John. Well, they don't actually, but I do have another O-Scale model today, so let's go to the workbench and take a look. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an O-Scale 53-foot Evans double plug door boxcar. This is in Atlas's master line, and it comes in both 2-rail and 3-rail varieties. The 3-rail variety goes for $69.95 and the 2-rail variety goes for $74.95. I looked on Atlas's website and found 6 different road names. The minimum diameter curve for the 3-rail version is listed at 31 inches. The minimum radius curve for the 2-rail version is listed at 36 inches. Since this is the 2-rail version, that's what we'll be talking about today. The yellow base coat on this model is outstanding. I did notice some smudging over here. I'm not sure what that's from, but you can see little black marks. Could be from handling at the factory, something like that. Not sure. But I thought I would point that out since you can see it on the camera. I do want to mention that the detail in the doors on this model is especially good. They look like all separately applied pieces. Also, these are freestanding ladders and wire stirrups. The tack board here looks like a separately applied piece as well. And the Chicago Northwestern logo looks really good. All the tiniest writing on this model is legible. On the Breakin, we can see more freestanding detail with the ladders and brake wheel separately applied. There's a grab that goes across and the crossover platform as well, all very finely rendered. You can also tell from this angle that it is a body-mounted knuckle coupler. The A-end has similar detail with separately applied ladders and what looks like a separately applied tack board and a very nice looking crossover. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's also the freestanding grab that goes all the way across here. The detail on the roof also looks pretty good. There's rivet detail all around the edges, and then of course the bracing pattern up there. That would look even better if you weather it. Looking at the bottom, you can see it has a lot of nicely done brake detail separately applied, and these are 70-ton trucks that are die cast, so there's some good weight to this model. And then you can see that these are in fact body mounted couplers. Something else the website mentions is that the undercarriage is all die cast, so this is actually made out of metal. That gives the car some really nice weight. Now, I've said it before, and I'll say it again, the more I see this O-scale stuff, the more I think I want to model an O-scale. It's so much bigger than the N-scale models that I've been working on for the past few years. Even HO scale would be a nice departure from N, just because of how much bigger it is. Anyway, about this model though, I really especially liked the detail around the doors. That looked really good to me, and almost like the doors should open, but they don't. So good job, Atlas. I'm looking forward to seeing more, and I'll see you next time.